Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the A801 aluminum baseboard for installing turf on Outdure framing. So this is the profile. It's essentially an aluminum baseboard, very similar to the other board profiles in terms of its width and how you go about installing it. But what you will notice is that it's quite a thin profile, and the reason why it's thin and it's not the same thickness as a board is because when you are using a combination of surfaces, so you might have boards, you might have tiles, and then you have turf. So you're wanting to keep the top surface of those consistent. So when you're walking on bare feet, you're not getting an uneven level when you maybe step on the tiles going onto turf or the boards going onto turf. So hence why we've developed this, so it's a very low profile. And it means that you end up with a really nice finish where the tiles or the boards are just down from the turf, so when you stand on it you don't feel any sharp edges or anything like that. So let's take a look at how this actually gets installed. So very simply, in this demonstration I've got our joists, which are at your normal joist spacing that you use for your decking boards. And I've got my baseboard here. I put my baseboard down. Now I've got my twist clips, which just go into the channel like I do with any other board profile, and then you can just see how I can push this in over the top of the baseboard like so. So that locks them into place. So now you just want to repeat that process and method for putting down all your baseboards. So in summary, you don't need to worry about how to calculate how many screws or brackets or components you need. The deck planner will calculate it for you.